What's up, guys? I go by the name of John from johnmcneil.com. And if you're looking for the best website traffic to promote your Clickbank products and offers, guys, I have the ultimate traffic source for you here today. So go ahead and strap in your belt and get ready for this ride, guys, because we're starting right now. What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com, and the best website traffic for your Clickbank products and all your other affiliate products for that matter is going to be search results, guys, right? So that's people who are already searching for a solution to their problems, right? So people that are actually online searching for specific topics, searching for specific products, they are the hottest target market that you could ever run across, right? So we're not talking about, running PPC ads, or we're not talking about doing solo ads. We're talking about people that are already bought into what they need or what they want, and they just want a product to satisfy their need or their problem, right? So let's go over to YouTube, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. We're going to go through a couple examples. So if I go over here to YouTube and I just go to the search bar and I type in how to lose belly fat, right? So as you can already see, there's tons of results that even come up right here. So it's how to lose belly fat, how to lose it fast, how to lose it overnight, teenagers, exercises for men, for kids, in 1 day at home. So there's a lot of different keywords that YouTube is actually suggesting already that people are already going in and searching. Now, if I go ahead and click on that, you can see that there is 4.3 million results here. So there's a lot of content on YouTube because there's millions of people searching for this particular topic, how to lose belly fat. If I go to how to lose belly fat fast, look how many results we have here. 3.1 million, right? So if there's millions of searches on a monthly basis about this particular topic, if you had content out there on the internet, if you had campaigns running out there on the internet, do you think that you could get some of this traffic to make sales? So if you already know that people are searching for this topic on how to lose belly fat, then that's when you go over to Clickbank, and then you go to the health and fitness category, and then you search for a product on how to lose belly fat, because we already know that millions of people are searching for it, right? So here we jump over to Clickbank, we go to the health and fitness category, and then we find this product, Lean Belly Breakthrough, right? It's a high converting product, and you make $40 a sale. The gravity on this bad boy is 125. It's selling like gangbusters. The higher the gravity just means that the high converting, it's converting very well. You have tons of affiliates that are actually selling this product, and we know that there's a need for it because people are searching for it, right? You can even cross-reference all these searches with like the Google keyword tool, right? Let's look at something else. Let's look at woodworking. So let's go to like woodworking projects, right? So you got 396,000. Let's look at woodworking projects for beginners. You got 266,000. Let's look at woodworking. Let's see, basics. See all these different keywords that are popping up? There's another 204,000. So guys, there's a lot of people searching for that. So what do? We know that people are searching for woodworking products or information on woodworking. So we go over to Clickbank and we go to the home and garden section, and hey, we found a product on woodworking, right? Another high converting product with a gravity of 120. So this may be a high converting product. You know, the people are searching for this information. So this is a product that you can sell. So essentially, guys, what you would do is you would create content around the keywords that you're seeing people search. So within Google, within YouTube, you can have a blog, you can write articles, you can create a YouTube channel and create content around what people are already searching, right? You know, people are searching woodworking ideas, woodworking tools, woodworking beginners, like all of this stuff. And then here is the solution. Oops, my bad, guys. The solution is the Ted's Woodworking product, right? So let's do one last one. Let's look at, I know this is going to be a big one. Online. Let's just do legit online jobs, right? So legit online jobs from home. People are always trying to make money from home. That's 120,000 results. Let's go with just legit online jobs. 798,000 results here. I mean, all of these keywords will pull up, you know, hundreds of thousands of results that people are actually typing in. And then we can go over to Clickbank again, and then we go over to employment and jobs. And look, we have a legit online jobs product here. It's converting at, let's see, what's the gravity on this one? Oh, that's a bad gravity, guys. Okay, so down here we have a better gravity. This writing jobs. So gravity is 53. That's good enough. That's probably converting pretty well. So this is a product on writing jobs. So you could probably go over to YouTube. Let's just see. Writing jobs from home. So look at all these results here. Writing jobs from home, writing jobs online. You know, boom, 1.2 million results here, right? Writing jobs from home. Another 1.3 million results. That's probably a really good, you know, market to be in. This is probably a really good niche to be in because it looks like people are searching for, you know, how to make money from home just by writing. And look here, we found one on Clickbank. It says writing jobs 2018, get paid to write online. And you can make up to $109 per sale. And it has a decent enough gravity for you can go in here and, you know, make some sales with this product. So again, guys, I hope you kind of understood what I was trying to get across to you here. The main point, and I did all of this kind of stuff on the fly, but the main point I was trying to get you guys to understand is go ahead, instead of trying to pick a product and make it work, go ahead and find out what people want. Go ahead and find out what people are actually searching for already, and then find the products to match up with people already looking for. Why reinvent the wheel? Tap into the markets or tap into the millions of people that are already searching for problems that they have, and they're looking for solutions, and then you match the product up with those people that are searching, right? So I hope that made sense to you guys. This is John from johnmcneil.com, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel. If you have not subscribed before, you can go in and click that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go in and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. And guys, go ahead and grab my guide. I have a guide that takes you through how I do affiliate marketing from A to Z. You can get that guide at johnmcneil.com. So leave a comment below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.